Please subscribe my channel.
What is artificial intelligence, AI? Introduction. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition and machine vision. As the hype around AI has accelerated, vendors have been scrambling to promote how their products and services use AI. Often what they refer to as AI is simply one component of AI, such as machine learning. AI requires a foundation of specialized hardware and software for writing and training machine learning algorithms. No one programming language is synonymous with AI, but a few, including Python, R and Java, are popular. Why is artificial intelligence important? It is important because it can give enterprises insights into their operations that they may not have been aware of previously, and because, in some cases, AI can perform tasks better than humans, particularly when it comes to repetitive, detail-oriented tasks like analyzing large numbers of legal documents to ensure relevant fields are filled in properly. AI tools often complete jobs quickly and with relatively few errors. 4 main types of artificial intelligence. 1. Reactive. 2. Limited memory. 3. Theory of mind. 4. Self-aware. 7 key benefits of AI for business. Efficiency and productivity gains. Improved speed of business. New capabilities and business model expansion. Better customer service. Improved monitoring. Better quality and reduction of human error. Better talent management. Advantages. Good at detail-oriented jobs. Reduced time for data-heavy tasks. Delivers consistent results. AI-powered virtual agents are always available. Disadvantages. Requires deep technical expertise. The limited supply of qualified workers to build AI tools. Only one knows what.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.